Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making ojingeo bokkeum, which is Korean squid stir fry. It's bold and spicy and the OG of Korean comfort food. Let's get started. This is whole squid, less than a pound, which I had in the freezer. You can buy the kind in the frozen section all ready to go, but I find those to be tough and rubbery. Have you guys cleaned squid before? Let me know in the comments. It's intimidating at first, but pro tip, do this while the squid is semi-frozen. It's a lot easier and a lot less messy. See how the guts are removed in one easy piece? Remove the spine, which looks like clear plastic. Separate the guts from the tentacles. This goes in the trash. The dark skin is not very appetizing, so it's better to remove it. If it's too slippery, use a paper towel to get a good grip on it. This is optional, but if you score the body, the yummy sauce will get trapped in all the grooves. Slice the body and tentacles into bite-sized pieces. For the sauce, we need oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, mirin, chopped garlic, grated ginger, sugar, gochu garu. I'm using 4 heaping spoonfuls because I like mine spicy, but adjust to your taste. And lastly, black pepper. Mix well and add the squid. This dish would also be great with shrimp or even chicken. What would you prefer? Leave it in the fridge while you prep the veggies. Start with a generous amount of oil. And like any stir fry, this dish comes together very quickly. And it's customizable. I'm using red onion, some asparagus, and carrot. Also some zucchini. Broccoli and cabbage are also great options. Fry for a minute over medium-high heat. Then in the center of the wok, drop in the squid mixture. Let it sit for about a minute. Then stir. Squid cooks up very quickly. Stir for another minute. Then the green onion goes in. Finish it with sesame oil and a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water. This is an all-time Korean favorite and one of my personal favorite dishes. If you don't think you like squid, this dish may change your mind. It's garlicky, spicy, and sweet. The squid is tender but still chewy. The veggies are soft but not mushy. Hope you tried this recipe for Korean squid stir fry. And let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.